Andra, a plane crash bit me course. That is on 12 June abusia. Well, brother, this plane air flight 171 or no ultimate 12 India. Ahmedabad airport London Gateway airport where United Kingdom. Now within a minute ago plane 2 year now as I crash Emma and I'm so many 240 people actually one survivor and I feel so there's a sad story attached to this plane crash. Jagwadam first to now somewhere Karma Studios. If today is your first time, kindly join us on all the social media handles at Karma Studios. Subscribe to our platform on YouTube. Any updates and any news that goes around, you'll be able to get it on your phone or on your tablet. Now let me take you through the whole conversation. This plane crash, that is air flight 171 to India Ahmedabad International Airport and where Gateway Airport and UK. It may crash minutes ago. And I'm so nipa 240 plus people natural monkwa. With the stories that we have in the shows, say Abusia. There is only one survivor, and this survivor happens to be the 40-year-old young man, a friend Ramesh Vishwa Kuma. The only survivor or TV survivor within this Air Indian plane crasher, a CAN Rano, that is on 12. No, na and go we now do there be. What is really protecting this young man, because plane are crashing and nipa me just a nipa mo plane everybody is dead and gone. Now you are the only survivor. It be intense because plane they crash ya. Nipa mo nyina condemn. Nipa mo nyina condemn. Eno we energism aba. Just say people are also rejoicing because this young man is a living testimony. It's a living testimony. Anybody be no di biano. This is opportunity of say be a second chance. This is the second chance. Just say it can happen to anybody because you witness a plane crash. More plane, everybody is dead. Now you wake up, you are in the hospital, still living. That is, an amazing thing, and that is very wonderful because intensity. What I say, intensity. Now the sad story of the plane crash is that a family. It's about time for them trying to turn a new leaf, trying to turn a new chapter. Na papa no ene ne yere kwade yesi no nurse ni na ne yere are resign from the Juma way as a nurse no. Now it's about time for them to also go live somewhere. What I say, they are going to relax because mo bojuma piska over 6 years working abroad na afidi aduru bre wo so mkufie na papa the Juma way wa resign cause wo boska no for 6 years on yere ma plan life no say that be with the 6 years we need to create our own happiness, create our own companies that we can work for our own. We don't need to work for someone. You get what I mean? Now they have been able to build this for 6 years. Now I must say it's about time we go and rest. We go work for ourselves. We get the profit by ourselves. We work. So we depend on this because the company is Sakewa. You are jobless. Now they also bought a flight on 12 June. I say they are turning a new chapter. You just selfie no ene da ha no. Much selfie they send you for say ye be fie. Ye be fie ni abeji ahome. Now papa no your friend Patrick Josh. Patrick Josh. And the yere no say Dr. Vyas. Dr. Kumi Vyas. Ono enso Patrick Joshi no. Now I'm just selfie in a plane. On body plane now I'm selfie this send you for say we are coming home. Yakobo brana afidi was a barrier because bushia wona sika kra and yes to be the create a company. This plane LV bushia Indian Ahmedabad International Airport. Now abushia this plane was going to Gateway International Airport in the United Kingdom. Now a crash here. Now you heard say your family member in abroad is coming home with yourself your child. She says he is in the plane coming. A very sad story. Life can sometimes be unpredictable. You don't know what will happen next. You just have to live the moment that you have. What I say, create your own happiness. Because this one, Charlie, it's a really sad story. Now, Nipa were winning. They see they all winning. They don't know what is going on. at their back. But mama catch na memories ne enyoma ebi ankomo bi kro modidi yeah, you know that kind of vibe. Onipa bi frɛ bochi ba Charlie. Oh, this is sad, man. Now this plane crash has killed 240 people plus, and it's a really sad story. Akwatena baby na obobra na obafi na ono obushafo adi nkomo se me bafi ne wantima ndru fi na nipa ba akoso is the only survivor in this plane crash. Well, Nyakopon enim ni oye enti this is a really sad story and a good news for the survivor and sad story for those who lost their life, their family members too. And we really thank God for the survivor and almost RIP to all of them. And we news that is on board and we cannot keep it on us. We just need to bring it to you on Karma Studios. If it is your first time, kindly click on the button, subscribe to our platform on YouTube so that we be able to make any update. I'll bring it to you on our platform. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and youngest content creator, and I'm finally out.